Hello everyone, I'm Bukraj and welcome to my YouTube channel The Golden Platter. You must be thinking why I'm starting today with a glass of milk. But do you know what goes best with a glass of milk? Yes, you guessed it right. It's cookies. And today, the cookies I'll be sharing with you are super delicious and are one of the most loved cookies in the world. The recipe today is chocolate chip cookies. But before moving forward, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the notifications. Let's get started. For making our chocolate chip cookies, I've taken 110 grams of salted butter. If you don't have salted butter, you can use unsalted butter and add a pinch of salt with that. And into it, we'll be adding 110 grams of sugar and 110 grams of brown sugar. We'll also add a teaspoon of vanilla essence to it. And now, with the help of a beater, we'll beat all these ingredients together till they are mixed and fully incorporated. So now you can see that everything has been mixed properly, and make sure your butter is at room temperature, otherwise it will be difficult to mix it. And now we'll be adding 1 egg in this mixture. And again we'll beat it. So now you can see that it has mixed properly. Make sure you scrape the sides of the bowl. And now we'll be adding 200 grams of all-purpose flour to it and 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Just give it a good mix. Feel free to use your hands if you like. So now you can see our dough has started to come together, and it's time to add our chocolate chips or chocolate chunks now. So I've taken 165 grams of white milk and dark chocolate chunks. You can use chocolate chips as well. The chunks are a bit bigger in size. I've chopped them and they taste much better than chocolate chips. So I'll be adding these. If you don't like a particular chocolate, you can omit that and add another chocolate in its place. So I like all the 3 types of chocolates. So I've added these. They provide a very wonderful flavor. And now you can mix them very nicely till it all comes together and everything is incorporated properly. So now you can see our cookie dough has come together, and it's time now to scoop out our dough and just make it into a small ball. Feel free to make cookies as per your liking. If you want bigger cookies or smaller cookies. So I particularly like it this way, and we'll place them onto our baking tray or the cookie tray lined with a parchment paper. So I've placed my cookie dough onto the baking tray. Don't worry about the shape of the cookie dough. It doesn't have to be perfectly round, and leave some spaces in between because these cookies will spread. And now we'll bake them in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 7 to 8 minutes, and then we'll reduce the heat to 160 degrees Celsius and bake them again for 6 to 7 minutes. So I've taken out the cookies out of the oven. Look how beautiful they are looking. They are crunchy at the outside and soft on the inside, and you can see all the tiny bits of chocolate in the cookies. They are absolutely delicious, but before gorging on them, we'll let them cool down for around 5 minutes and then we're gonna plate them. So our chocolate chip cookies are ready to eat. Nothing tastes better than the smell of freshly baked cookies at your place. These are so simple yet so delicious to make, and your loved ones will like them for sure. Please do try this recipe at home and make sure to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.